Hi, this is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I would like to present you this approved used Audi Q8 E-Tron Sportback S-Line 55 Quattro. Now this particular example is finished in the optional Daytona grey pearlescent paintwork, which is really give it that standout appearance. As well, with this being the approved used car, it does mean it comes with a minimum of 12 months warranty and 12 months roadside assistance. Moving on now and looking at the key features, with this being the S-Line trim level, it does mean the vehicle benefits from the additional S-Line styling such as the front grille, rear diffuser and side profile. As well as this, you do get the additional white badging as well as the chrome strips around the windows as well. Moving on now and looking at the front, we do find these fantastic LED headlights which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Down towards the alloys now, we find the S-Line specific 21-inch 15-spoke design in graphite grey, and they do really stand out against that lovely metallic grey paintwork. To the side of the vehicle now, there is also the rear privacy glass, which does keep the rear occupants in view, does protect those valuable items from view as well. Moving into the rear boot space now of the Q8 E-Tron Sportback, where we find up to 528 litres of storage capacity. This is a large amount for an EV of this size, and this can easily accommodate 3 larger suitcases, as well as a few additional shopping bags. Moving into the rear now, we do find a full quilted leather interior with the additional white stitching to complement. As well as this, we do find a leather centre armrest, which is fold down for added comfort, and there are Isofix points which are neatly located across the back row. Rear passengers do also get ventilation, as well as having extra storage with netting behind both front seats. Moving into the front now, we find a very well designed and luxurious cabin, with a large amount of plush materials such as Dynamica, leather and also aluminium. With this being the S-Line model, it does mean the vehicle benefits from these full black leather seats in which you have the additional white stitching and the S logos. Above now we find the virtual cockpit, in which is featured 2 digital rev counters. This screen can also be used to access your satellite navigation, as well as telephone connectivity and vehicle information. Now to the centre of the dashboard, we find this impressive MMI touchscreen display, in which does feature the satellite navigation and allows access to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Just below this now, we find the equally impressive digitalised dual zone climate control, which is very easily adjustable, and there are heated seat functionalities located either side of this for both front passengers. Moving to the screen above once again now, we find the reversing camera, which does make it much easier to park, especially in the tighter spaces. Thank you for watching this vehicle presentation of the approved used Audi Q8 E-Tron Sportback. This vehicle is now available at Stafford Audi, and please do contact our sales team.